here's the topper, and I don't know, you can kind of, if you can see my finger through here, so you can see through the lace in the middle. Okay, and I am going to actually not put it all the way up to the front of my hair. I'm gonna do it a little bit, oops, now that it's stuck, a little bit further back on my head so that I can mix those hairs in the braid. Scoop under to clip it on. And so I'm gonna take some of my hair and some of the topper hair, and I'm gonna split it in 3. And so the front piece is the part that I'm gonna put underneath first, and then the furthest one is gonna go under. And then I'm gonna do that again, but this time I'm just gonna grab a little bit of hair, and that's gonna go with it. And then the same on this side. But I'm only grabbing topper at this point from this side. Okay? But from here, I'm grabbing my hair and topper hair. And very quickly, it's gonna get thick. So on this side, grab a piece from the back and it just goes under. And then my front piece goes under, and I grab a little bit more hair. I think that was only my hair in that one. Grab a little bit more topper hair, and just go all the way down. So I'm gonna grab a pretty big chunk here, when it gets closer to my ear. And I'm not worrying about this one like being super smooth or super perfect, because I want it to be a little bit of a messy look, especially since I'm going to be adding the clips. Now I'm just going to tie it with an elastic. Okay, so of course you can leave it down, but I'm like the worst at tutorials. I am probably gonna circle it around and pin it. So I'm gonna take one of my I'm gonna put this one in the back where the hair is short on this side, and just pin that so that they don't all fall out. And there you have it. I hope that was helpful. Let me know any questions that you have, whether that's about braiding or about toppers. Thanks, guys.